My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
I'm saying there was people who made my grandfather told us about. It's like a story, but you know, at the end of a story, you know, there is some conclusion, you know. And if you can pick out of that, you know, say every argument a person that, every time a person that you, even one word a person can speak to you and you use it for your own natural life. You know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, even one word.
Even some of the same analysis story that we hear people talk.
Yeah, logic them.
A whole lot of logic behind
Whole
them.
little logic
It
behind
might
it.
look like a story, it might be funny.
You hear some people, if so to idiot, but they say, lie them tell, because they brainwash you long time until they say, this run away with spoon and cow jump over moon. No go so, me say, no go so. That's why they call it memory gem. If you can remember that, you can remember something else.
See what I'm saying?
It's a foundation where your brain build up on.
Yeah.
If you can remember, say, dish run away with the spoon and cow jump over moon, you can remember, say,
It's like
thief,
that exercise your brain, like,
exercise your brain. You can remember, say, thief can send you to jail
and get you killed.
and get you killed. So cow don't jump over the moon and dish run away with the spoon. That's why they call it memory gem. As you not talk about people and people who know are satisfied. There was this woman. She used to be so poor, living in a vial battle. That's all she could have find to live in. Was a vial battle. And she wish, all her wish is if she could get out of this vial battle. And I wish come to one idea and she find herself out of it. You see, can't satisfy a fuck prick. You must make yourself available to be satisfied, even when it's small.
Yeah, man.
And pray to God and leave yourself there, and if there's anything else to come, God will send it to you.
Same stuff.
And she wish, oh, I would like to become a queen. And she wish she could have become a queen, and she become a queen. And she started, I would wish if I could find myself into a palace. Find myself into a palace. Oh, I wish I could have horse and chariots. She was horse and chariot. I wish I could have a lot of maids. She was a lot of maids. I wish they could have hit my ship. Mr. Hit her ship. And she started wish. And she started wish. Even at when she wish, you know, but she find herself back in the vial battle. The blood clot wish too much.
She wish herself right back in the vial battle.
Be satisfied and take it.
Can't satisfy.
Can't satisfy. Wish too much.
No matter what some people have.
As you say, a human being, only human being, mess up the whole thing. You can't be satisfied. The more you get, the more you want, the more you get, the more you are creep up. Like you can't dead, that you can't carry with you. Carry along.
You know what? Me not study every species a creature already on the earth.
No.
But what me notice, every other species away from human being obey nature and the laws of nature. When an animal, when a lion run down an antelope or a gazelle or whatever,
Food.
and he kill that antelope
You
and
think
eat
he
it, that lion gone about in business, you
Of
know,
course.
because him belly full.
I have food in my look.
Him looking food and him not kill again until he want him.
Right.
Only way that lion hurt you, unless you go there go molest him.
Right.
But human being,
They kill you and
let
left you in the road. And they kill every day.
kill every day.
You know, so there's a season to shoot bird.
Yes, man.
And you know, so there's a season to shoot deer.
Yeah.
And that season to hunt.
Even said fishing where we do.
Oh, do you
there are
have
certain fish, like snook.
Right.
You can't catch snook certain time of year.
If you catch it, you have to let him go back.
You have to let him go.
Right. Good.
If you catch it, if they catch you with it, you're going to get a big, maybe $250 fine.
Fine.
Or maybe more than that.
Good. No, you have season for all those. You know, so no season that if you kill man do.
Man kill man right around the clock.
Round the clock. Season that is fish for everything.
And when them do it, them justify.
Right,
Why
then
them
justify
do
it. No season no if you kill man. Man dead anytime right round the clock. All season, man dead. You see? So, as you're talking about that, as you said, as we're talking about, it's only human being species go against the laws of God
And nature.
and nature.
Yeah, man.
Only that, only them
Every
alone.
other creature obey the laws of nature. We the only one who don't obey it.
A bird, when you see bird, you have certain bird who rule at night, you know. I saw him build, right? Normally bird, you see them out there, so I said them a fly around. They feed them children they feed them chick through the day. And when it come night long, then get whatever they get. Because they burn a lot of color overnight, you know.
Yes, man.
So them catch that. And you bird will go roost at night. You know, see him a fly at night. Mankind, no matter how much him do a day, him a gone at night and tear down, see him way around the clock.
Never stop. Never.
Only mankind.
Before him stop. Mankind alone.
When it come to wearing the produce, the sexual performance and it's producing, a donkey nah make no other donkey jump him if he not come back in the season again.
That's true, man. Every animal have them season, you know.
Mankind no season not there. Human a baby breeder again right there round the clock. See where they no obedient. As you say, and you could have go right down your hole that a mankind alone.
They alone, man.
If you hear that bird there, suppose you're there, you hear that they come out and say, come out of my yard. Me say, if you come out of my yard, boy. You have to run, you know. He no make it talk.
No.
Man a try to bark like dog. Call themself a dog.
And I try for sex like dog too.
Them a fuck dog. This is the party phone them a fuck dog.
Talking about that.
I'm mankind, human being, train the dog for sex them.
Just like that.
You see how you go?
You see no animal I do that too? Human being?
No.
Without a human being train the animal to do it. Them not do it.
No, they don't know they not born so.
No.
A human being go and molest them.
Yeah?
And take them and try to molest them and try to deal with them and
Yeah,
so.
man.
A man can't do it. Dog would not never trouble you.
No.
Good God. You think?
Boy, they sit there crazy. Man,
Crazy.
they with anything they catch. The craziest thing we ever see me see one man have a big boa python snake in his bed.
Yeah, babe.
A sexy snake.
You see? Anyway, you ever hear about scavenger?
John Crow.
How again?
Anything else?
Crab.
There's a hog scavenger too.
Scavenger, yes.
And dog.
How was the worst scavenger ever live and walk?
No man. Man name everything.
Everything.
They
That-
find way eat it.
The dog don't have vegetable, you know?
No.
No.
The only way is the dog eat grass.
He must be sick.
Medicine.
He's sick.
What a clever creature that.
Sick. And look, I God make him so.
The dog know directly
Same
which
belly
grass we go
yes.
eat, you know.
And he night in belly full.
No.
He get too strong.
Just for sickness.
You ever see shrimps come out and try to get man feed them?
No, sir.
If shark hit you, remember say, I fucking out the younger, you know.
You go mess the yeah, man.
You go out now in a film territory.
Yeah?
Are you with dead? They attack you. Okay. You never see a lobster come out and just dag out in your backyard and try to catch you, you know.
For real, man.
Man eat rat, ants,
Lizard,
lizard, roach,
bat,
maggot, bat,
fly,
fly, everything.
everything.
Man eat everything. Plus other food and vegetable. Man are the worst scavenger that ever live and known. Mankind.
A true man.
The mountain.
You-
You
you-
can't
you-
go
you-
see.
you
Man, bro, scavenger.
You can't find no other creature in the world that eat everything like man.
Only man eat everything.
Man eat everything.
Man eat everything. Man eat where animal no eat, you know.
Yeah, man.
One time, you know, one woman that tell me about me smoking. He said, dog better you, man. Because I want one dog no pick up a tobacco bone. Dog don't want that. Not him dog no want it.
No, sir.
And mankind, even me.
Man pick up your smoke that.
Why? So, brother, I tell you, this is